If you're experiencing issues with Apex Legends updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem and get back into the game. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes simple restart can fix update issues. Turn off your gaming console or PC, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming it. This can sometimes kickstart the update process and allow it to continue downloading. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Apex Legends and then reinstall it. This ensures that you have the latest version and can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to stall. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and enjoy playing Apex Legends.